Hi 5K. Guess what? This is our last math meeting of the week, so let's make it a good one. I'll pick that up later. How many days are there in a week? Do you remember how many days there are in a week? 7, right? Let's sing the song. Ready? There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All right. And what day is today? It's the last day of the school week. And your hint is that yesterday was Thursday. So if yesterday was Thursday, what is today? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday. Yeah, today is Friday. Say happy Friday. All right. Let's talk months of the year. How many months are there in a year? Do you remember? There's 12, right? 12 months in the year. Go ahead and stand up on the ground, and you can do the song and the dance along with me for their months of the year. Ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Sit down. Excellent work, 5K. And what month are we in right now? What month are we in? October, right? Yeah. Let's look at what day in October. Let's take a look at our calendar. And it was the October that fell down earlier. We're in October. It keeps falling. All right. Let's look at what day in October. Yesterday was the 22nd, October 22nd. So what's today? Let's start from 20, okay? Let's start from 20. 20, 21, 22, which makes today 23, yeah? 23, or October 23rd, right? What two numbers make up a 23? If you said a 2 and a 3, you were right, yeah. 23. And what shape is today going to be? Remember, our pattern is rectangle, circle, circle. So if yesterday was a rectangle, what's today? A circle, right? So today we have a circle and a 23, 2, 3. All right. Now that we know that today is October 23rd, let's write it. If you have your whiteboard or a piece of paper, I would love to see your date written with me. That'd be awesome. So, as we said, we're in October. And what's the first letter in October? October, right? So go ahead and make a capital O for October. Capital O's are bigger. They touch the top and the bottom, don't they? All right. So if we have our O, what comes next? What makes that sound? A lowercase c, right? Letter C. All right. What do we have next? What makes the t sound? A T, right? And don't give it that fancy tail. Just make a line down and cross in the middle. All right. All right. What letter is after the T? What do we got here? That's an O too, right? This one is only going to be a little o, only half as big as your capital O. We have 2 O's in October. All right. What do we have after our second O? October. What makes the b sound? Yeah, the letter B. So to make a B, you make a line down and trace up a little bit and give it a belly to the right. That's how you make a B. And what letter do we have next after the B? Yeah, that's a lowercase e. That's an E. And E goes with the R that's next to it because when E and R are together, they say the sound. October. So go ahead and make your E and your R your last two letters in October. To make a lowercase e, you slide to the right and then make a C. Like that. And then to make an R, a lowercase r, you go from vanilla to chocolate, trace up, and give it a hook. Like that. And now we're done with October. Way to go. Let's talk what comes next after the month. What do we do next? Yeah, we need the number of days, right? And what did we say today was? You can look at your calendar if you forgot. Yeah, today is the 23rd. 23rd. 2-3. So go ahead and make your 2-3 for 23rd. To make a 2, you curve around and slide to the right. And then to make a 3, halfway around and around again, right? October 23rd. And what do we need next? That goes about right here. Yeah, your comma, your cute little comma. And you're going to put that right at the bottom of your 3 next to there. Go ahead and do that now. And the last thing we need, what are we missing over here? Year. And what year are we in again? 2020. So go ahead and make the first number in 2020, which is a 2. So curve around and slide to the right. And what comes after the 2? A 0. Yep. Make your 0. And then 2020. Yeah, so we need another 2, 20, and then make another 0 after that. 2, 0, 2, 0. All right. You know what time it is when you're ready to, when you've written your whole date, grab your microphone and announce the date with me. Ready? Good morning, Milwaukee. Today's date is October 23rd, 2020. All right, good job. Thank you for doing that with me. And let's talk days in school. How many days have we had so far? Well, let's look. Yesterday we had 39. 39. Do you know what comes after 39? After 39 comes 40. 40, yeah. What two numbers make up a 40? 39, 40. It's a 4 and a 0, right? 4, 0 makes 40. 39, 40. So we've had 40 days in school so far. Way to go. I'm going to color the 40th square in our days in school chart. Look, we're going to fill up 4 10s. Look, it'll be all the way up to the top. Crazy. Look, 4 full 10s. And speaking of 10s, how many 10s are there in 40? How many 10s? You can look at in the 10th spot if you forget. Yeah, like I said here, there's 4 10s in 40 because there's 4 filled up 10s, right? Woo! Lost my marker. So there's 4 10s in 40. And how many 1s are there in 40? How many 1s? Look at the number here. Yeah, there's actually 0 1s in 40, right? Tried to make the number, but my hand was full. So 0 1s in 40. And let's talk about the pattern, okay? This is a pattern that repeats itself. It has 3 different numbers. So even though these numbers are all in a row, 14, 15, 16, even though 17 comes next when we count, this is a pattern, so it's going to repeat. So if this repeats, what's going to come here? Yeah, 14. A 14 is going to come next because that starts our pattern over again. So if you drew the date with me, if you wrote the date with me, go ahead and make the pattern with me too. You can just do the last 3 if you want. So 14, 1, 4, downside right, and cut it in 2. How about what comes after the 14? 14, 15, right? 14 comes after the 15 in this pattern. And when we count 2. So if you're making this pattern with me, it's a 1. 1 always comes first in the teen numbers. And then to make a 5, down and around, and give it a hat. All right. And what is the last number in our pattern here? The 16, right? Go ahead and make a 16 to finish off that pattern. 1 and a 6. And to make a 6, you slant down and give it a curl, right? Very good. Let's double check our work, okay? Say it with me. 14, 15, 16, 14, 15, 16. We got it right. Way to go. Let's do our coin cup now, quickly. Remember, our coin cup is where we count how much money is in our coin cup today. So, I have the money in our hand. Go ahead and count with me the pennies that I put back into the cup so we can see how much we have. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all the money I had in my head. So we have 8 pennies. It's all pennies in here. Look. Remember, pennies are the brown coin. They have Abraham Lincoln on there. And how much is one penny worth? How much money is in there? Yeah, 1 cent, right? So let's count out the pennies up here again with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pennies. And we said that each penny is worth 1 cent. So I'm going to write the number 1 above each. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And so if I have 8 pennies, each worth 1 cent, how much money did I have in my coin cup? 8 cents, right? 8 cents in the coin cup. Way to go. Let's talk the weather. Go ahead and sing the weather song with me. Ready? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy. What's the weather like today? Well, I predicted that today would be a sunny day. So let's sing the sunny song. Ready? It's a sunny, it's a sunny, it's a sunny, sunny day. It's a sunny, it's a sunny, it's a sunny, sunny day. All right. Woo! Our graph is filling up, right? We're getting towards the end of October. Which one has the most? I can see it a little better. Which type of weather has the most? Cloudy, right? Cloudy has the tallest tower. It has the most. Who has the second most? The second most. Sunny, right? They have the second tallest tower. It goes cloudy, then sunny. All right, let's talk shapes for our last part of math meeting today. Ooh. I just dropped this shape. What shape is this? Can you tell me? It's a square because It has 4 sides that are all equal to each other. Yeah. What's this orange one? What kind of shape is this? A triangle, right? And it's a triangle because it has 3 sides. Yep. How about this one? What's this? A rectangle, right? Because a rectangle can have 4 sides, but some of them can be longer than the others. Yep. And this last one. A circle, right? Round all the way around. So, way to go, kindergartners. I hope you have a good rest of your work today and a good weekend.